welcome back to the channel. So we are on the west bank, close to canal here, and we're gonna go take a drive down Race Dam. So Race Dam is just before canal. So this is a Buggerville Bridge. Race Dam is right here. There's canal over there. So the last time I made an attempt to come in here, this road was really bad. So over there is canal number 1. We are in Race Dam here. So this is a private school in Race Dam here. So we are going out back. I'm gonna video a little for you guys. So I made an attempt to visit this place a while back and it was very bad, couldn't drive in here. So taking the opportunity to film. Someone had requested this actually a long time ago, but I just couldn't come in. The road was just too bad to drive. Look at mango up there. Mango tree loaded. This one got the one substrate got no. This one is loaded to mango gonna be seasoned.
Oh yeah,
Ten open.
yeah. That's closed that way.
Oh, close up. Yes, so Race Dam. I didn't even know this dam here until somebody requested it.
You done? No. Then LaGRANGE come home.
You're being attacked here, guys. You're being attacked. Sharp like you run into a post here, right?
When I'm old by like from the part I'm young girl and I like that I try to do that.
Next Saturday I'm up there. Look at mango here, right? Wow. Bountiful mango. go get one right here.
Yeah, we need to look cool. Like that. Looking like
Rover.
Yeah, not bad. Yeah, so I cut them into salt and also.
A big project here, right? Out of mango tree, loaded. Look like spice. Box and spice.
Yard, nice yard space.
Yeah. A big yard space here.
These are Kali Church or some kind of churches.
Yeah, we got a temple here. Quiet. Check out that original house here. Tree again, mate. Big bunch here. Alright guys, so we are back out at the public road. That was a look at the raised dam. Yeah, we're gonna go straight over. So you have the post office here. The Bagotville post office. Police station is up here. LaGRANGE police station. Yeah, the coca here. Scrap yard anyway. That's scrappy. you want to go away?
No, no, Savani, yes, a big Huawei, but
Oh,
yeah, I think Savani family is.
I got a big wild home there. I got a couple wild home there.
No, we got Vanny, Mukashanga there.
Oh,
Oh, this is a nice white lady Huawei.
oh, white lady.
Savani family.
Oh.
And last, the thing is, what is nice about that when you go pick something and eat it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I bring back here small days on that and tree pick.
Yeah, so we came out of Race Dam and we are there, LaGRANGE Old Road.
See if fire station here.
Fire station.
Got a clinic there.
Clinic, fire station. More mango. So I got one mango you see there, right? On the tree. So we're back onto the new road now. So this is heading towards Video Hope. Let's store a fancy LED light. Everybody by dancing at the way. Dancing with I see cream soda. You remember that with L milk?
Every night me knock that.
Every night?
Till last week, go play.
So you gotta be good, eh?
I got knocked that.
Yeah, but that thing is the best.
Drink, garnish, sugar. Last week, go and latch that with bread and nut butter, cream soda,
Oh.
and milk.
So we're approaching the roundabout now at the bridge. We're gonna go through the roundabout. Well, you have to go through the roundabout.
I'll lock off here, 2 lane come over, see?
Yeah, 2 lane coming over across the bridge. Ease up the traffic. The way you would drive in this roundabout is when you're joining the roundabout, you yield to whoever is in the roundabout already. Anyways guys, so that's it for this video here. Race Dam on the old LaGRANGE Road. Hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe you did. Give us a like, comment, subscribe, share the video.